Transformational Conscious Arts. The art of trust. To build a deep relationship, we first need to develop trust in something greater than ourselves. Trust in a greater intelligence and evolutionary force that is the universe itself. As we learn to identify and embrace our mistrust, skepticism, and fear, we begin to transform. We open up to a deeper sense of trust. We learn to surrender to this intelligence that is made of pure love and is an aspect of ourselves. We let go of control and allow it to guide us into our greatest expansion. We learn to trust this intelligence coming through ourselves, others, and in our lives. We learn to listen to it and are guided by it, and in time we develop a deep and loving relationship with it. The Transformational Conscious Arts and their mastery guides us there.